Welcome back to the Crypto Market Updates channel. Today I've got a fantastic news announcement, piece of information that has finally been revealed by the MEWCoin team. If you remember a while back, I made a video in which I was hinting that something big was brewing, and the team was working on something massive, potentially, game-changing for the MEWCoin project. And they finally announced what it is. So before I get to explaining what it is and giving you the nitty-gritty details, let's just talk a little bit about what makes a crypto project pump, what makes it explode in the crypto community, what drives traffic and the public's attention towards that particular project. So MEWCoin, if you don't know, is a coin which has at its core the values of helping animals in need. It started off as an idea to help the animals that had been affected after COVID-19, after all the lockdowns. Of course, people were affected, but animals were not left unscathed. And so the founders of MEWCoin have decided that they wanted to do something about that. They wanted to help the animals, particularly cats, that were stranded or that were, abandoned or in need of care. So they decided to launch this project, and they have dedicated a portion of every block mined towards the helping of rescue animals and animal shelters, with donations, with weekly donations. Now, you would think that this is a noteworthy project because there aren't too many that actually do anything of that sort. Most projects that are launched, whether it be proof of work or proof of stake, simply rely on the fundamentals, simply rely on the community, who hope that the white paper that's presented to them will eventually do what it sets out to do. That it will do what it promises in the white paper. In a lot of cases, the projects take forever to be completed and to reach their destinations, meaning that they don't actually complete the things that they set out to do, that they promised to do in their white papers. MEWCoin has been around for a year, a little bit over a year, I guess a year and a month. In September was the 1 year anniversary, I think, of when the project launched. And within that time, the project has already started partnering up with a few animal shelters and sending out weekly donations, which they, take out of the blocks mined on the blockchain. So each block mines 5,000 MEWCoin, and 2,000 out of those 5,000 get sent to the community chest, which is then used for donations to the different animal shelters. 3,000 of those MEWCoins for every block are split amongst the miners. So MEWCoin has a lot going for itself, as do, I guess, the promises of other projects. So when you look at Doge was nothing. It was a meme coin, and it was a joke token, or coin rather, that was created as, I don't know, to poke fun at the cryptocurrency world. And if it weren't for Elon Musk, Dogecoin would still be nowhere. It would certainly not have reached the massive, acclaimed proportions that it has without Elon Musk's presence. Bitcoin is the king, no doubt about that. But also, if it hadn't been for, I think, the Bitcoin Wars, there's a book that's been released a while back, and it basically summarizes or talks about the Bitcoin Wars that took place between the two camps of Bitcoin enthusiasts at the very initial stages of Bitcoin's launch, who were fighting for the expansion of the blockchain, versus those who wanted to keep the Bitcoin blockchain the way it is now. And in the early stages, Bitcoin was irrelevant. Nobody cared. People were throwing Bitcoin away. People were buying pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins at a time because nobody cared, nobody really knew. Until the time that there was enough traffic and enough interest around the project that Bitcoin finally took off and it became what it is today. And so it goes with a lot of other projects that are still unfinished and are still working on it. But the main driving force that was always behind any project was the community. The bigger the community was, the more hype there was, and the more that the particular project was able to deliver on its promises, the more community gathered around it, around that particular project, and the more pump-mentals it received. Now, none of that would happen without proper PR. A lot of advertisement, a lot of footwork, and a lot of push to have that particular project out in the open and describe it to the general public, show it to the general public in any way possible. So in early stages of Bitcoin, there were blogs created, there were people writing books, and there are still conferences, ongoing conferences now to this day, in order to let people know about the beauty of Bitcoin and what it is. And with every single PR promotion that there exists for any token, for any coin, the enthusiasm for that particular project grows. And so we come to this point in time where the announcement for the MEWCoin, what is it? MEWCoin has partnered up with Rhubarb Media. Why is that important? I will tell you. Okay, Rhubarb Media is a branding company. They spend their time making sure that the companies that contact them get the proper exposure and are put in front of the eyeballs of a lot of people. And you might think, who cares? There's a dozen of these things, and there probably are, and you're probably right. So let's just have a look at the different companies that that Rhubarb Media worked with in the past. We've got Redbird, U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs, The Source, Perry Public Library, Fly, Pivix, Lake Simcoe, Bedar, Berry, Food Bank, McLaren, Art Center, and the Salvation Army. And I'll be frank with you, man, with the exception of the Salvation Army, I don't know any of the other logos. So we keep scrolling. And here's some things that Rhubarb Media had worked with. And of course, the first thing that jumps into your eyes, hopefully as it did into mine, is the fact that they worked with Kaspa. This is one of the main projects that they worked with. And Kaspa right now is a $2 billion project. A cryptocurrency project that was launched about the same time as MEWCoin, but received a lot more publicity. There was a lot more push from the likes of Bitmain in order to sell their miners, their ASICs miners that supported the miners of Kaspa, which is why you see Kaspa pumping so incredibly right now. And this company worked with other cryptocurrency and other blockchain companies. So at the top here, if you click on blockchain, you've got Kaspa, Versify, which I don't know, but I do know Algorand. So Kaspa and Algorand, I think, are the two biggest ones. There are some other ones which I'm not very familiar with, to be quite honest. Corex Ligo, North American Crypto Exchange, and so on. But the main one is Kaspa. And why is Kaspa so important? It's because I made a couple of videos, or at least one video before this, in which I compared, no, it wasn't a video, it was a Twitter post in which I compared Kaspa to MEWCoin. They're both coins. They have about this, they have a very similar supply of tokens or of coins. Kaspa has about, I think, about 28 billion, and MEWCoin has about 21 billion coins. Now the kicker is, let me just find, here's a tweet that I posted a few days ago. So total supply of Kaspa is 28 billion, total supply of MEWCoin is 21 billion. Circulating supply, Kaspa stands at 21 billion right now, which is massive. MEWCoin, it's still in the mining processes, and it's only at 3 billion tokens in the circulating supply. Market cap right now for Kaspa is $1.4 billion, while for MEWCoin it's only 423,000. It's not even $500,000. It's well below $1 million. The 24-hour trading volume for Caspa is $58 million, while for MEWCoin it's $14,000. It's a minuscule number. All-time high for Caspa is 0.06. Obviously, right now I think it stands at 0.95 or 96, and for MEWCoin it's 0.0021, with an all-time low that was quite similar here, and gain since all-time high. Gain since all-time low is for Caspa, it's 38,000%. For MEWCoin, it's only 178%. The reason why I bring this up is twofold, I guess. Number one, since Rhubarb Media already has experience having helped a project like Caspa, and granted, it probably wasn't the only driving force behind Caspa's success. Of course, there's BitMart, of course, which sold a lot of miners. There's a lot of YouTubers that pushed their miners to the forefront, and people realized that they could make money with it, right? But the point is, Rhubarb Media has experience working on a project that was placed in front of the eyeballs of a lot of people and garnered the interest of a lot of people, particularly miners. And since they do have that interest, and since they did agree to go into contract with MEWCoin, they will be able to complete the tasks that are required of them to push MEWCoin, if not to the same levels as Caspa, certainly push MEWCoin along the same paths as they did Caspa, and propel MEWCoin into something more than it is right now. And what is it right now? Right now it is a coin that does something unique, that aims at doing something unique, something special, and that has a clear use case. Another thing that it does is help this coin that has a tiny market cap and a tiny volume on the 24-hour trading listing. Chances are that there will be, with a price tag like this, it will pump. Once Rhubarb Media starts doing what they set out to do, whatever it is that they're supposed to be doing, but they'll be working, the things that they do work on is, I guess, blockchain, branding, cryptocurrency, web design, WordPress. These seem to be the standard things that they do: blockchain, branding, web design, WordPress, cryptocurrency design, blockchain video, blockchain branding, cryptocurrency design. So it could be that they may be rebranding MEWCoin. MEWCoin right now, I don't know if the owners of the CEOs this is the Calico Cat that they've designed, and I assume that they will keep the Calico Cat, but I could see MEWCoin rebranding in some way while including the Calico Cat. But I could see the brand of MEWCoin, the logo of MEWCoin, changing in the near future. And with a tiny little trading volume like this and a tiny little market cap like this coin has room for massive growth, and it's going to grow with the help of Rhubarb Media. They will work on promoting this coin. There will be a lot more YouTubers getting involved in promoting this coin. BitMart will not be getting in, hopefully, because the two founders of MEWCoin have already stated that MEWCoin is meant to be ASICs resistant. It's meant to be here for the GPU miners, for everybody who has a GPU and is mining on the GPU. So we're working without BitMart, so that's gonna kind of dampen, I guess, the push or the forward movement. But nonetheless, there's so much room to grow, and right now the price for MEWCoin stands at about 14 is 0.00014. Right now seems to be 0.0001357, but it varies on between the exchanges. So if you go to the different markets, it dropped a little bit. At Gravix it's 14, Trade Ogre it's 13, on non-KYC it's also 13. So maybe it's time to stack up a little bit. Let's. So at this price tag and this low volume and this low market cap, there is no way that with MEWCoin being put in front of an increased number of eyeballs, and the fact that this coin carries it has meme potential, just like Dogecoin. MEWCoin has meme potential. But unlike Dogecoin, it actually does something to help animals. It does have a clear use case, which is a huge difference between Dogecoin. Not only that, Dogecoin has unlimited supply. It just keeps printing more and more coins, which is so bizarre. MEWCoin has a limited supply of tokens, of coins, and so the potential for growth here is massive. I highly strongly recommend that you get yourself a bag of MEWCoin right now before this coin pumps, and it will pump. The bull run's coming. In the past, MEWCoin, its all-time high was at 0.0021. So even from where it is right now at 0.00013, the pump is over 100%. From where it is right now to its all-time high, and it will go past the all-time high, because once things get rolling, the announcement of Rhubarb was just released today, and I assume that, you know, they've been at work. We were told in the Discord community, the announcement was made that Rhubarb has already started work on the project, so this probably been only a few days, because last time when I released the video, they were still in discussion on, you know, discussing basically they're working together. But now the announcement is out and it's in the works, so it's only been a couple of days probably. So we'll probably need, you know, a few more weeks before we start seeing results. But once the progress begins to show itself, and we're going to be entering a new year, the 2024 year, the development of the MEWCoin right now couldn't come at a better time. It's like right at the heels of the bull run. This is going to be massive. If you don't get in on MEWCoin right now, man, I think people are going to miss. So this is not financial advice. I mean, you know, this is crypto. Anything could go. But I strongly believe that you can't lose. This coin has massive potential, even without the presence of a media campaign. But with the presence of a media campaign, it's just going to get stronger, and the movement it will receive will simply be faster than you would see without the presence of Rhubarb media. So I'm telling you, there are other projects that are being worked on. In addition, that, you know, to MEWCoin, there are things that are being developed on top of it, and I think once money starts flowing into the project, once the market cap expands and the founders have finally some money to pay proper developers and, you know, grow their development team, this project will get onto a track of development and increase with such a speed that it's going to be mind-blowing, and who knows where it's going to go from there. But we're still in the very early stages, but it's I think it's a very wise investment. So yeah, what else can I say? I hope that this is informative. If you did find it informative, make sure to smash up the likes, and I would like to hear you know, from you what your thoughts are. If you have any experience with Rhubarb media, then drop me a comment below the video. Let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you. And in the meantime, make sure to smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, and of course come back for more updates on other projects, but definitely on MEWCoin. Keep on stacking. DCA, baby, DCA. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.